Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I share recipes, tips, and techniques with you. Today we are making homemade granola bars. These granola bars are quick and easy, not to mention delicious, and they're gluten-free. So let's take a look at what we're going to need to make our healthy and delicious granola bars. We need old-fashioned oats, peanut butter, honey, vanilla, and some salt. And I'm adding in some mini chocolate chips and some coconut. I do have a little confession to make. You really want to use mini chocolate chips in this recipe, not full-on chocolate chips, because when we make our granola bars, they're not going to adhere very well. So I went ahead and I tried to chop up some of my regular chocolate chips, and I have more of a chocolate chip powder. So if it looks kind of funky, that's why. So let's get our base prepared. We're going to be using 1 cup of peanut butter. This is an all natural peanut butter. To that, we're going to be adding 2/3 cup of honey. Add in our vanilla and our salt. And I'll have a recipe for this in the description below. And now we're just going to mix this all together before we add in our oats and our chips and coconut. Now let's add our oats, our coconut, and mini chocolate chips. I really love making my own granola. I really like making my own anything because you know exactly what's going in what you're making. There are no additives obviously in this. This is an organic peanut butter, and as far as the sweetener, this is a honey, and that is a natural sugar. It's not a refined sugar. The only thing I would say that's maybe not so healthy is the chocolate chips, but we'll overlook that. You want to mix this so that everything is really, really combined, almost paste-like. And that's what's happening right now. So I'm going to be using a medium cookie scoop to get our mixture into our snack bar maker. This is going to take about two scoops, I would say. And I'm going to wet my fingers so this doesn't all stick to my fingers, and we're just gonna press it in. And we're gonna do that for all of these or until the mixture runs out. Now that we have put our mixture into the snack bar maker, we're gonna chill this for about an hour, and then we'll pop them out. I think it's great that all you have to do is put these in the refrigerator. There's no baking involved. I made granola on Wednesday. I don't know if you saw that video, but I'll leave a link to that in the description. And I also, in the snack bar maker, I made yogurt bars. So I'll leave a link to that video as well in the description. See you in a bit. Well, these seem to have really firmed up nicely. Let's get these on a plate. Let's take a bite, shall we? Really delicious. The peanut butter and some of the chocolate chips are really coming through. There's nothing better than homemade granola bars or anything homemade. These healthy, delicious treats are great. Good snack for midday, kids' lunch boxes. Can't go wrong. Well, thanks for joining me today as we made these delicious, healthy granola bars. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. See you next time.